Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's website home improvement tip: use a CDN. A CDN is a content delivery network, and it's a way to help cut down on the load time of your website. So the distance that your data has to travel matters when it comes to your website's load time. So if I am uploading a website in my servers here in Michigan and somebody in California wants to open a video, that information has to travel all the way across the country to get to them. And unless you're Santa Claus, you're not going to be able to make it across the world in the blink of an eye. So you've got to make sure that you've got places where that data can be stored closer to where the visitor needs it. So content delivery network caches all of your data, and it can be images, it can be video, audio, even website pages. Your whole site can be on a cache, so it can be closer to where that data is going to be accessed from. So if I've got somebody in Los Angeles, California, it's going to be way easier for them to access a cache in San Francisco than it is for them to pull it all the way from Michigan. So make sure you're utilizing a CDN, because that's going to help keep your load times quick, which impacts your user experience and it impacts your Google ranking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.